Hey guys, what is going on? So in today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing again. This time some Hebru Brantley pieces. If you haven't seen him, go check him out. He's an artist based out of Chicago. Very interesting guy. Love his work. But enough with the talking. We're going to get started on this right away. So let's talk a little bit about the box. As you can see on here, it is a matte finished black box. Very sleek. You can see Flyboy here. This is his character. Flyboy is the character that Hebru Brantley designed, and it says Flyboy on there, Hebru Brantley at the bottom. Awesome box, nothing on the sides, just very simple, very sleek. Warning sign on the bottom, and it says Mind Style, powered by Mind Style, which is the company that makes these toys, figures, art pieces, collectibles, whatever you want to call them. Mind Style, they also make toys for a lot of big artists like Ron English and many other artists. So yeah, on the back, very simple, some color here, his typical color scheme on a Flyboy, and then you can see a different Flyboy on here with a message on the back. But yeah, let's get started and open this bad boy and see what he comes with. Okay, the first thing I notice on here, it's this authenticity card, which also has the number of this toy. This is a limited production piece, and it is numbered. So it says Flyboy, official licensed merchandise, Mind Style, and then it says the number 976. Awesome. Okay, so that's what it looks like, and on the back it just has Flyboy on there. You can't really see very well. But it's in there, same as the box. Very sleek, very awesome. This is made out of, it's not even plastic, it's just cardboard, but that's pretty sweet that they include that. I think that would be nice to display it with the figure once it's up on a shelf or wherever it may be displayed. So let's get this puppy out of the box and see. Oh man, this guy is sweet. Check it out. If I can get it out, there you go. Put that aside. And here it is. It reminds me of the Cause Companions because it comes in the same like plastic casing as the Cause Companions do, which is pretty nice. I mean, it keeps it protected when you're not displaying it. Alright. So this guy is, ooh, that smell. That vinyl plasticky smell, it always gets me. I love that smell. It reminds me of something new. Just wrapping plastic to protect it, and then here it is. This is it, guys. This is Flyboy. Check him out. That is pretty awesome. Put that aside. So this guy is actually 18 inches tall. That is pretty darn tall, and it looks awesome. This is just classic Flyboy with his goggles, his airman helmet or whatever, his red bandana, long blue pants, and some sneakers. That is awesome. And there's really nothing to it. This guy, I mean, doesn't look like his arms move or rotate. His legs, no, not really. I don't think they're supposed to. And his feet are fixed. So this is a fixed figure. It is not gonna move or, wait, let's see. Oh, the head turns. So that's about the only thing that moves in this guy, and it's pretty cool because it doesn't have to be, you can display it looking like straight on, or you can display it looking somewhere else, which I think looks pretty sweet. It just looks like he's, I don't know, looking into space, or looking for Little Mama, which is Hebru Brantley's other character. This is Flyboy, and Little Mama is the female version of Flyboy. And let's get started and open this one. It's pretty much the same thing. I got these from the bait website, baitme.com. I'll leave a link in the description, although it has already been sold out for many weeks, so I don't think it's available anymore. But let's open it and see what number this one is. This one I haven't opened. This is the one I opened, the number 976. This is, let's see if it's a higher number or a lower number. Doesn't really matter to me, but same deal, same packaging, just exact same thing. Plastic everywhere. Again, that smell that always gets to me. Whew. Whew, that smells so good. Alright, here's the card. This one is 681, so it's lower. The other one's 976. Again, Flyboy, mine style. Yeah, nothing to it on here, really. Just a cardboard little card with Flyboy on the back. You can't really tell because it's too dark, but there it is. That's just like the certificate of authenticity. Excuse me. And let's get this guy out. Yep. This is awesome. I'm going to display them side by side like such. And that's going to look pretty awesome. Let me know what you guys think of these, and if you have if you guys have Hebru Brantley pieces. I know I'm trying to get some prints and some of these smaller figures, the ones that he's on the rocket. Those are pretty sweet. But yeah, this is it, guys. Check them out. Nothing on the back. Let's see if, oh, okay, yeah, these are, it says Mine Style, made in China, 2018 Hebru Brand Studios. So that's all it says on the bottom. But these guys are sweet. I mean, you can even, I don't know, you can do so many things in terms of displaying these guys. You can just have them like head-on displayed like this. Let me know what you guys think, if I should put these on a shelf, or if I should get like a special casing for these, like an acrylic casing like they do in museums. I just think that looks pretty cool, but let me know what you guys think. Again, these are 18 inches tall figures by Hebru Brantley. I want to thank you guys so much for watching my videos. It's been unreal, the support and the subscribers I get every day. I think it's awesome. I started doing this just for fun, and a lot of people, it's so nice to see the comments and see like the encouragement from people for me to do more videos. So I think I'm going to continue, and hopefully I get better at it. Like I said before in previous videos, I don't edit my videos. I just like put my phone up and start recording and start talking, and hopefully I do a good job and you guys like my videos. So again, thank you so much for that, and stay tuned because I will be uploading an unboxing of another bear brick. This time is the J Balvin bear brick that Medicom made for J Balvin at ComplexCon 2018. So stay tuned, and yeah, peace out, guys.